Hi everyone, you're welcome to Law on the Street Nigeria, where we relate the law to our day-to-day activities. For today, we are going to be talking about how to identify the essential elements of a valid contract. Please, if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe and click on notification bell. Alright, and one would ask, what is a contract? In simple terms, a contract is basically a written or oral agreement between parties that they intend to be enforced by law. We have these contracts in diverse areas of life, but I'll just give an instance. We have, for instance, contract of employment, which has embedded in it some of the terms and conditions that both the employer and the employee are supposed to abide by. Um, For instance, contract of employment states specifically that an employee is not expected to just wake up, randomly and exit his workplace without adequate notice to the employer. And on the other hand, an employer is not expected to relieve an employee of his work, terminate the employment, and not pay the adequate remuneration that is due to the employee. Now, this takes us to the elements. So I'm going to be explaining it in very simple terms so that we can all relate to it. So we'll have the first one, which is offer. I'm going to be using um, buyer and seller. So here somebody has a property, a two-bedroom property located in somewhere, maybe in Imo State, and he says talks to either his friend, the family, or business partner. Hey, I have this property that I would like to sell to you. Is situated in a good place and it has accurate legal documents. Would you like to buy? That is an offer, which is the very first one. And this person in return says, okay, that's cool. I'll be looking for a place to invest in. I wouldn't mind. I would like to purchase this. I mean, the buyer here, which takes us to the acceptance. Yeah. The first one was offer, second one was acceptance. So the buyer goes ahead to say, okay, so if you are going to be selling this to me, how much is it going for? Which takes us to the third one, consideration. So what is the legal value of what you're offering to me? And he says, okay, I'll be selling this for a fee, maybe 20 million. And they both agree to terms, after the whole bargain. And they say, okay, maybe we'll come to terms and just say, maybe let's go for 18 million. And they both agree, you know and this is just the basic elements of a contract, that on the face value you can say, okay, here there is an offer, on the other hand there is an acceptance, and there is a consideration for it. But it's important to state specifically that please and please, if you're entering into a contract, make sure you understand the terms and conditions, right? Don't just joyfully enter into a contract without having adequate knowledge of what you're agreeing to. you know this is very paramount, because when it comes to disputes, that's when you start seeing clauses flying up and down. And please do well to engage the services of a lawyer, because your lawyer will go through the agreement line by line and ensure that there is no clause that is against you, but that, I mean, is beneficial to the both parties. This is very, very, very much advisable. So this is what we have for today. I will see you in our next video. I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now.